What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Jeep compass started if your key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with your key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your compass started. So we're going to be doing it on a 2020 Jeep Compass here, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob here to demonstrate. As you can see, if I press the buttons, none of them work. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what we need to do is we're going to take our fob and using the tip of it right here, that's what we're going to use to push the stop start button. So press the brake as you normally would, and we're going to come over here and use this, push in the stop start button, and as you can see, it started. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.